Hey guys, today I have a Halloween treat for you. We are making crack. Yes, homemade crack. And I don't think my channel's going downhill that I'm making drugs now, but after you taste it, you think I'm making drugs. It is delicious. It's just saltine crackers and brown sugar. I saw it on Trisha Yearwood and I think a magazine, and after I've seen it twice, I thought I have to make this stuff. It is great to take to parties. It is great to just have at home, to snack on, whatever you like. And make sure you stay to the end because I have a cute little treat that I made up for a friend that you too can give you some ideas to make for your coworkers, for your friends, for family, for even for your kids. Just a cute little gift for Halloween. So let's go check it out. Line a sheet pan with aluminum foil and then use nonstick spray. Okay, now you can place your saltine crackers on your sheet pan with the salt facing down. And I used almost a whole entire pack or sleeve of these crackers. All but 2 crackers. Okay, now you put 2 sticks of butter in a saucepan, and I totally recommend you melting the butter a little bit before you put the 1 cup of brown sugar in. And you just let this come to a boil and melt together until it becomes this beautiful caramel color. Now you take your caramel brown sugar mixture off of the stove, and you pour it directly onto your saltine crackers, and just make sure they're completely covered. And yes, just to let you know, I did lick the spoon and the bowl, and it was delicious. I mean, I have to confess. Now you put them in your preheated oven of 425 for about 3 to 5 minutes until it's nice and bubbly, but make sure you keep an eye on it because it can burn fast. Now you can see that it's still kind of bubbling, so you want to pour the chocolate chips directly on it because you want the chips to start melting. And I use the entire bag, minus a few that went into my mouth accidentally. I don't know how that happened, but just make sure you pour as much as you can onto the crackers, and then once you do that, it'll start melting the chocolate chips, and you can spread it around with a flat knife or a spatula or whatever you have on hand that makes it easy to spread. And make sure that every bit of chocolate is, covering the saltine crackers. Now you put it in the freezer for about 20 to 30 minutes until the chocolate has hardened. And please tell me that y'all have this much stuff on y'all's refrigerator too. Okay, now all you have to do is just break it apart into crazy pieces. You can do big pieces, little pieces, whatever you want to do, and it came off the tinfoil very easily. And there was no tinfoil on my crack. So you just tear it up and put it in a sealable airtight container, or you can put it in a Ziploc bag, and this lasts for days. I even kept mine in the refrigerator for a while, and it was good like 3 to 5 days later. I mean, it's delicious. It is addicting, and I'm sorry if you try this and you become addicted, but it is fantastic. And it's great just to take to parties, or it's just great to have to snack on throughout the week, whatever you prefer. Okay, so it is close to Halloween, and I have a friend who just loves Halloween. It's her favorite holiday, and I feel like, Halloween should not be just for kids. I mean, adults, you should do things for your friends and family members or whatever. Just, let them know you're thinking about them. You can even, of course, do it for strangers, that you come in contact with, just to brighten their day. And then what I'm doing is just something really simple. I got this little container. It looks like a Chinese takeout. I got it a few years ago, I think from Michael's. Yeah, I think it was from Michael's. I think it was after, like, one of those after Halloween sales. Where you can get everything 50% off or more, 70% off. And I got this filler from the Dollar Tree, and I just love it. I mean, look at that. It is so pretty. Fall colors. And I'm just filling this up, and you can do anything. You can get like a one of those tin buckets, that they have around this time. And I just got her a few things that I thought, would be cute. Some little lotions, which these are fantastic. They are also from the Dollar Tree. If you haven't tried these, you are missing out. I mean, they are great lotions. This one's a little thicker, and this one has like an amazing smell. I mean, it smells like soap. It is just so fresh and so clean. I love it. So I'm giving her some little soaps. Got this little face mask. I also got that from the Dollar Tree. They have a lot of yes to whatever, carrots, cotton, whatever it is. So I got this, and this one's really great. I've used this myself, and this is a really great mask. So I'm gonna get her something like that, and it doesn't have to fit perfect. It's just a gift, something to let them know that you're thinking about them. And of course, it is Halloween. Candy's just not for kids, so I'm giving her a couple of things of candy, some suckers, a few things of Snickers here, so she can have a little treat. And there you have it. Just a little gift set, just a little something to let her and my friend know that I'm thinking about her and wishing her a little happy Halloween and giving her a little treat. I hope everyone has a happy and safe Halloween. And remember, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe and share with all your friends. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.